Hi there, this is Christopher with Handmade in Vermont, Hubbardton Forge lighting dealer, and today we are talking about the Hubbardton Forge Vessel wall sconce. So this is from the Reflections collection from Hubbardton Forge. It's a collection of sconces available in just a couple finishes and glass options, generally made for bathroom applications, but you can obviously use this any place. But it does narrow you down to just 2 finishes for this and just 1 glass option as opposed to all the other ones in the line. So this is called the Vessel. It's the 2140. It's a 60 watt max. I have a little A15 phosphorus LED in here right now, but you can put in whatever bulb you want. And you know there are different bulbs. The thing is, the top of this won't accommodate all light bulbs. I don't think this is going to make it in there, but that would. This is a T-bulb, that would. I think that looks fine. That's called an A15 bulb, and an A15 is just a smaller size light bulb. They're used in fans and refrigerators, microwave ovens, garage door lights, that kind of stuff. But it's just the size of the bulb. This is a clear. You could put a frosted bulb in this if you like. I kind of like it in the clear. It's a dimmable fixture. Just make sure if you use an LED that you're going to use a dimmer that can accommodate an LED. So I have this on a dimmer, and I'm going to bring this up and down a little bit. Down. And let's go brighter. So this is just a 40 watt equivalent LED. I think this is, it's a little glaring, but like I said, on a dimmer, these look awesome. You can dim that down again. So for metal finishes, you have the brushed nickel. That's one you see right here, which is very handsome. You also have a very shiny polished chrome, and that's to match up with your chrome faucets in your bathroom. These, like I said, these are generally made for bathrooms, but again, you can use them all over the place. The only glass option is going to be this heavy hand-blown clear glass. Okay, so you have two finishes, 1 glass option. It's a porcelain medium base socket like that one that's hiding inside that housing. You can go up to a 60 watt max for incandescent, but when you get into LEDs, the sky's the limit. I think you've heard in other videos that talk about that. The size of the bulb is going to tell you how much light's going to come out of this thing. So some of these bigger bulbs are just not going to make it into this space right there. Okay, but the A15 will without a problem. Cannot hang upside down because this is kind of hanging like that, as you can see. Okay, and then so this is 10.8 inches tall, and that's like from here to the bottom of the glass, 5 inches wide, and that's the width of the back plate. The back plate's 5 by 5. Projection out is 6.9 inches, and this can go. This has on the other side of this is a universal mounting bracket that'll go on your 4-inch J-box, junction box. It'll also go on a gang box without a problem, so it can get you all taken care of there. So it's a nice sconce, very pretty. Can be used in all kinds of applications. So stairways, hallways, all kinds of places. Just remember, if you're going to be using in those applications about this projection, it's almost 7 inches out. But again, really made for bathrooms, dynamite piece, and that's it. So we're going to have this on the floor in brushed nickel. We're going to have the 4-light version. There's a single, a 3, I think a single, a 3, and a 4. So we're going to have the 4-light in shiny chrome, and we're going to have this one in brushed nickel. But we have, 350 Hubbardton things on display, so it's worth coming here for all of that. Showroom's open every day from 11 to 6 except Sunday. Telephones from 10 to 6 Eastern except Sunday. Call us 802-446-2400, here to answer questions for you. And email us sales@HandmadeInVermont.com. Get emails constantly. Love it because we can kind of get a rapport back and forth and kind of keep a running list of what questions we have, so we can always go back on emails, which is great. Okay, so that's it. So if you can like this video and subscribe to us, then we can show you all this new Hubbardton stuff as it comes out, and that's what I'm here for. Okay, bringing the showroom to you so you don't have to come to cold, wintry Vermont. But it's going to be spring soon, which means mud, basically. Anyway, so I'm here if you need me, and thanks for stopping in. Take care. Bye-bye.